You should not express your thoughts. You should express your experiences. Thoughts are not to be shared. Experiences are to be shared. Thoughts are of the mind. Experiences are of the existence. Your existence is very important. Your existential realities are very important for us. Your existential realities are absolutely relevant to us, which will add to our experience of life. Not your thoughts. We don't care for your thoughts. We care for your experiences. Experiences will come only through experimentation. Experimentation means closing the eyes and observing the breathing. Deeply observing the breathing. You are happy with yourself. You are not unhappy with yourself. In that happy state of mind, experience will happen. To anybody. We look forward to that experiences. We share that experiences. That's why we listen to others. Listening is a deep healing process. Others' experiences are very, very important for us.